Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir, and it's revision time. The topic for today is prepositions. I have an assignment for you. We are going to do fill in the blanks one by one, but before that there is one textbook entry that I wish to cover here. Let's dive into that. This is on page 156 of the English medium 10th standard SSE. They have provided us with a paragraph, in fact a couple of paragraphs, and they want us to fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Let me make that full screen for you. This is what you have. Now it is at this point that you can pause the video, be honest about it. Well, I hope that you had paused the video because now I'm about to share the answers. Okay, so go ahead and check. These are the answers, and please let me know if you got them all correct. You can pause. Okay, by the way, now we will move on to our assignments. We are going to deal with fill in the blanks, but they are going to be one sentence at a time. There are 10 fill in the blanks, and please do share your score. I always love knowing it from you as to what your score was, either on the email or leave your score in the comments. So let's start immediately, one by one. So question 1 of 10, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions, and here is your first line. A cold wind blew blank my face. So what do you think it is? I hope you're ready with your answer. Here it is. Across my face. It's better I don't read the questions, right? Let's move on to the second one. This is your second question. Ready with the answer? Okay, you can always pause if you think that I'm not giving you enough time. The answer, the sun began to sink behind the trees. What a spectacular sight that is it not? A sunset. As a matter of fact, even a sunrise. Question 3 of 10, this is your line. What's it? Are you ready? Here is your answer. I should have been able to jump into one of those carriages. Of course, you don't want to show any daredevilry. Just that for this one, this is the correct preposition. Next one, please. This is your next one. Now, this is a little tricky. If you want, you can pause and take more time than what I shall grant during the recording. I hope you are ready. The answer then, he told me I could sleep on the balcony. Well, in the balcony, okay, but on the balcony is precise. You remember that there are prepositions that are tricky for occasions like I was on a train to Goa, on a train, on a plane, but you are in a taxi, you are on a cruise. It's important you understand the distinction, okay? On a plane, on a train. It's important. So over here, if you wrote in the balcony, well, not so. It's actually on the balcony. I'm sure that you got it right. Next one, 5 of 10. Here is your question, the fifth question. I hope you're ready. Well, the answer is they were damp from the rain. We want to insert using prepositions. Don't fill in the blanks using any word that fits. We want the prepositions. All right, the next one then. Question 6. Ooh. Ready with the answer? Here is your answer. Her hair reached below her knee and made itself a garment. Girls with long, beautiful hair. Ooh. Yeah, but these are really, ginormous hair. So her hair reached below her knee and made itself a garment. I'm sure you got that right. Next, question 7 of 10. Here is your line. Should be easy, this one. Ready? Time for me to show you the answer. There was a 50 rupee note held between his fingers. Now we were talking about the hyphen words in one of the earlier videos. Notice that it is a 50 rupee note and not 50 rupees note. As I'm sure you observed that. Okay. Next one, please. Question 8 of 10. What do you think? Ready? Here is the answer. I did not stop at the ticket office. Well, you should buy a valid ticket. have one while you travel. I did not stop at the ticket process. The penultimate question, question 9 of 10. What do you think about this one? By the way, you have my email ID down there, is it not? The answer: we need to have a frank dialogue among cultures, religions, and civilizations. I'm sure you got that right. And now the final one, the ultimate one. What do you think about this? Don't get it wrong when you have Shakespeare looking at you. The answer: a poem of 14 lines is called a sonnet. I'm sure you got that right. And so the ultimate question, what was your score? I'm always interested in knowing your score. The revision series is going really well. There are other topics. Of course, we will deal with them one by one. Hope you enjoyed this and hopefully you got them all right. We will meet again soon. Do take care.